The following animated video demonstrates how to administer naloxone to temporarily reverse the effects of an opioid overdose. Some of the steps are repeated on screen.
If you think someone is having an opioid overdose, give naloxone as it can temporarily reverse the effects.
The video opens with a small zippered black case with a red cross on it. It is a naloxone kit. Text on screen. How to give naloxone. Temporarily reverse an opioid overdose.
You can save a life. Here's how. First, call 911 or your local emergency number.
A hand holding a cell phone appears. A person dials 911.
Next, give naloxone, even if you're unsure if the person is having an overdose. It's safe, doesn't cause harm, and can save a life. In Canada, there are two ways to administer naloxone: nasal spray and injectable.
A naloxone kit and the contents are displayed, including a mouth-to-mouth resuscitation device, disposable gloves, alcohol wipes, nasal and injectable naloxone, a syringe, and an instruction sheet.
How to give naloxone nasal spray.
A naloxone nasal spray appears.
Put on gloves. Open the package.
A gloved hand appears alongside the nasal spray. The package opens.
And put your thumb on the plunger, but don't press yet. It's only one dose.
A gloved hand holds the nasal naloxone dose.
Tilt the head back and put the nozzle into one nostril. Press the plunger all the way to give all the medicine.
A gloved hand gently tilts back the head of a person lying on their back. The nasal spray naloxone is placed in the nostril of the person and the dose is given.
How to give injectable naloxone.
An ampoule and a vial of naloxone and a syringe appear.
Put on gloves.
A gloved hand appears.
Open the syringe package. If you have a pre-filled syringe, take off the cap.
A pre-filled syringe package appears and opens. An arrow points to the cap.
If the naloxone in your kit is stored in a vial or ampoule, you will need to fill the syringe. Remove or snap the cap from the vial or ampoule to open it.
A vial and an ampoule of naloxone appear. The vial cap is removed and the top of the ampoule is snapped off.
Place the needle into the medicine to slowly draw it into the syringe.
Syringes are shown being inserted into the naloxone vial and ampoule. The syringes begin to fill as the plungers are pulled up slowly.
Point the needle upwards and gently press the plunger to release any extra air bubbles.
A syringe is pointing upwards. A small empty airspace can be seen at the top near the needle. Text on screen. Remove as much air as possible.
Hold the syringe at a 90-degree angle and insert quickly into a large muscle, like the upper arm or thigh. Push the plunger all the way down to give all of the medicine.
Gloved hands insert the syringe at a 90-degree angle into exposed skin. A diagram of a 90-degree angle appears alongside the syringe. The plunger is pushed down, and the dosage exits the syringe into the skin. Text on screen. Insert into a large muscle.
You can even insert it through clothing.
Gloved hands insert the syringe at a 90-degree angle into a fully clothed area.
Toss the used syringe and ampoule or vial in a rigid container.
The used syringe and ampoule are safely contained in a rigid plastic container.
Or ask emergency personnel to dispose of it when they arrive. Naloxone begins to work within 2 minutes.
A gloved hand reaches out to show a wristwatch timer set to 2 minutes.
Wait 2 to 3 minutes for the person to respond. If there is no response, it's safe to give another dose if you have it. While you wait, move the person on their side with their top knee bent.
A person is lying on their side with their top knee bent forward on the floor. Their arm is bent in to support their head. This is also known as the recovery position.
Naloxone is active in the body for 30 to 120 minutes, but the effects of opioids can last longer and the overdose can come back.
Text on screen. Naloxone wears off and the overdose can return.
Stay with a person until emergency services arrive.
An ambulance with flashing lights appears.
Even if they seem better. Learn more at canada.ca/opioids. Together, we can stop overdoses.
#Stop Overdoses. Logo for the Government of Canada. A message from the Government of Canada.